On page 5, we had this matrix, and we had the answers x equal 3, y equal 5. Now, how do I enter a matrix into my calculator? Well, if I look at my calculator, you will notice the word matrix is above x to the minus 1 key on the TIs. And if I do second, x to the minus 1, there's matrix. Now notice I have matrices in there from last semester, so there are already some in there. You notice how they're put in there. This is a 3 by 4, that's a 2 by 3. And if I need to do anything, I need to edit my matrices. So I'm going to edit, and I'm going to edit A. Now here's the nice thing, I don't have to clear anything out. I just have to tell it what's the size of my matrix. Well, this is a 2 by 3. 2, enter, 3, enter. And then it automatically sets it up. It's like a spreadsheet now. So 1, and you put in the row, 1, 8, 2, negative 3, negative 9. And then I put it in rows, I check it in columns, 1, 2, 1, negative 3, 8, negative 9. Now do a quit out of there because it doesn't work otherwise. So second quit, it's above mode. I'm back to the home screen. Now, if I go back into matrix, second matrix, here's my matrix. My matrix is in A. Go over to math. And if you go down the list, DET, that's the determinant, dimension, that's size, identity matrix, augment, that says you're going to take two matrices and put them together. Matrix to list, list to matrix, cumulative sum. There's an REF, and I wonder what RREF means.
Reduced row echelon form.
Row reduced echelon form. So I'm going to select RREF. Where's my matrix? What did I load him in? A. So I go back in, pull out A, press enter. What's X?
X is going to be 3 now.
Y is going to be 5 because it's in a row reduced echelon form. Cool. Let's go to number 40 and leave the fraction in. So let's remember what the system looks like. It's 3, 3, 3. It's 4, 2, and 8/3. Now, if I keep it in A, remember we've got deep recall, so as long as I have all my matrices in A, I can recall this and I don't have to retype it. So let's go in and load our matrix, so second matrix. Let's go back in and reload A, so edit A. It's still a 2 by 3, enter, enter, and it's 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 8, divide 3. It doesn't care whether or not it's a fraction. It does fractions better than me. Now, where's our matrix? In A. So remember, second entry recalls what we just did. RREF. Our new matrix is in A. Press enter. And it says X is 0.33333, which is the same as 1/3, and Y is 0.66666, which is the same as 2/3, right? And if you're not sure, just do math, and the first thing is push it to a fraction, And what it does is it takes that matrix and pushes it to a fraction. Under math, and then push it to a fraction.
I'm doing something wrong.
Let's try this guy, 3 by 3, we have time. Doesn't take long.
I don't like it.
So, matrix, edit, keep it in A. This time it's a what? 3 by 4. So it's x equal 1, y equal 1, z equals 0. Notice it's now put another column in there, and 1. X equals 2, y equals negative 1, z equals 1, 1. X equals 1, z is 2, or y is 2, z is 1, and 8/3. And now my matrix is loaded, and it's loaded in A, so I come back to the home screen by doing second quit. And we want to RREF, so second enter, bring it back. That's at, push it to a fraction, so there it is. Second enter, brings it back. Now if I press enter, x is 1/3, y is 2/3, z is 1. And I can then, if I wanted to, math, push it to a fraction,